job, Margot.
Yeah. This is much better.
Well, it's definitely a major improvement over last time.
Yeah, neither one of us has fallen down yet. Old gals wrangle sheep. Get up, baby. Come on, Petunia.
That's the little princess. It didn't hurt, did it? It's okay. See, we still love you.
Good morning, good patient. He just rammed my head into the roof.
Oh.
He's too big for his own good.
That's because I've been feeding them your goat milk.
What? You feed the sheep the goat milk?
Well, when they were small, remember?
Oh, yeah. Mm-hmm. Done. Here, guys, see? Wasn't that so much better?
Thank you, Margot.
Done.
Thank you. Thank you. Bye, guys.
So much quieter.